These action figures on my shelf, man, they drive the ladies crazy. Knuckle, I'm watching comic book movies, so they wanna have my baby. Knuckle, Knuckle.
So yeah, man, Chainsaw Man Volume 2. I'm about as crunk for this as I was when I first started reading Berserk. Denji's a poor young man who will do anything for money, as I told you when I reviewed Volume 1, in order to achieve the greatest goal in human history, to touch a boob. Yes, that's right. Denji will risk everything to fight against the dangerous Bat Devil, but will he be getting what he actually wants? Will that make him happy? So basically, in Volume 1, he went to go save Power's cat. If you don't remember Power, that's her. Probably my second favorite character in the book. And if he saved the cat from the Bat Devil, he got to touch her titties. And I know this sounds super immature, but it's actually a super dope ass story. There's a lot of like mind fuck moments. I don't know, maybe I'm looking at it for more than it is, but I think this is gonna be like one of the next animes when the anime comes out. That's gonna like be some damn big sensation or whatever. But so she actually betrays him because she tries to feed him to the bat to get her cat back. It doesn't work. Denji turns into Chainsaw Man, kills the Bat Devil, gets her cat back, and she's like, why did you let me live? Why did you save me? I betrayed you. And he was like, just to touch them titties. Yeah. And she's like, wow, what a strange idea. This other like leechy monster that was like the girlfriend of the Bat Devil pops up and tries to kill Denji. Kind of fucks him up. He can't like get his chainsaws out all the way and shit. But they end up being victorious. And then he finally gets to touch Power's titties, and he's like, damn, that was it. It was a big letdown, man. Because Power is cool or whatever, but Denji doesn't have feelings for her like he does Makima. I think that's her name. If anybody's read this and I'm saying it wrong, let me know. And so he's like, damn, it wasn't all it could be. And then Makima's like constantly manipulating Denji into doing wild shit. And she's like, well, it doesn't matter unless that's with somebody important. And she kind of like seduces him. And then it's like, yo, I need you to kill the Gun Devil, which is like this crazy devil that nobody's ever killed and shit. And anyway, that's super tight. But, and I'll show you some of this stuff in a minute. So Denji and Power kind of need to be controlled. So they go stay with that one guy that was like Denji's partner or whatever, who was supposed to keep an eye on him. This guy. And it turns out Power is even more uncivilized than Denji, because she's in there talking about, I don't bathe much, I don't really flush the toilet. Like, she's super crunk, and everybody's just like, dude, get your shit together, you crazy ass woman. And they're going to search for the Gun Devil, and they get caught in this damn room where on the 8th floor of this building, this apartment or this hotel or whatever, where like these demons got them in like a continuous loop. And then it pretty much ends. And quick read, still super dope, and can't wait for volume 3. But I'm gonna bring this over here, open it up, show you some cool shit, and then we'll be done. So yeah, Power, man, definitely one of my second favorite character. There's Makima, Bat Devil. It's cool because they have these little like recap things right there for you. But there's Chainsaw Man fighting the Bat Devil. Super cool. There's Power apparently running around naked, dirty, covered in blood. So there we go. A little ripcord. There's the Leech Devil. She's like, oh, you killed my boyfriend. Cuts off one of his arms. Anyway, they end up beating her. And then actually Aki or Akai, whatever that dude's name is, uses his demon that he has to deal with to help defeat the Leech so he gets to survive. And that's this thing right here. So then he's like, whoa, dude. They're like, why'd you do that? This guy comes in and he's basically like, yo, y'all need to get your shit together and quit being fucking wacky because they're the two craziest of the Devil Hunter crew. And then so Power's there. She's like, I hate vegetables. I'm the type who seldom bathes, who seldom flushes turds. Yeah. And so then Power comes in his room. And he gets to touch the boobs. But it's kind of a letdown for him, man. Because it's not this chick right here, Makima, who he cares about. And she's like, well, it's different if you care about somebody. And whatever. Kind of weird. I mean, it's not really weird, but that's my one problem with manga is I kind of feel like a lot of these people are portrayed as like young kids and shit, and I don't really want to see them grabbing each other's boobs. But I guess these guys are supposed to be at least adults, like 18 or 20 or something, so I guess that's okay. But anything that kind of veers into like kids doing weird shit territory, I do not like. So, but yeah, they basically still going out. They're hunting for the gun devil, all that. They get caught up in that weird room, and like everybody's acting crazy and like getting like delirious and shit. But Power's like saying real crazy shit, and everybody's just like, oh, that's her, normal behavior, so that's okay. But yeah, man, it's a super cool book. I recommend reading it. Anytime I do overviews or reviews, I don't want to just go through and damn show you every single thing, because maybe you want to read it by yourself. But yeah, dude, it's a good story, man. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. Definitely currently one of my favorite things I'm reading in manga or comics, and excited for the anime. Thank you. Peace.